Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your OS and the exact app names so the system finds them reliably. Once done, decide whether you'll use a keyboard combo, gesture, or voice trigger. Each is faster for different situations. Now open the Shortcuts app or the system keyboard preferences to create a new shortcut. Make sure to grant any permission prompts so the shortcut can launch apps. You're setting constraints now so the rest of the flow stays predictable and fast. You'll add an Open App action and select the exact app from the list. This is the core step that actually launches the program. Then configure parameters, such as which window or instance to focus and whether to bring to front. This prevents multiple copies opening. Next, assign the trigger, press the key combo, record the voice phrase, or map the gesture. Make sure triggers don't conflict with existing shortcuts. Resolve conflicts now so activation is reliable. You must test the shortcut multiple times in different contexts, from lock screen from other apps and after restart so reliability is verified. If it misfires or opens the wrong app, refine the selected app or change the trigger to avoid conflicts. Finally, one key troubleshooting tip. If a shortcut fails, check app permissions, confirm the app's exact name, and look for shortcut collisions in system settings. Once it works, save a backup or note the trigger for future reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.